As a defense analyst, you learn to look for the stories behind the headlines. And today, we're diving into one of those, a hidden strategic corridor that's quietly reshaping modern conflict. All eyes are constantly on the Strait of Hormuz, right? It's that critical choke point for global oil. But what if all that attention is a distraction? What if that's just the trailer and the real movie is unfolding somewhere else entirely? Well, that somewhere else is the Caspian Sea. We're seeing this major strategic shift north to what is essentially a hidden battlefield, one that's becoming more and more important as alliances get redrawn. Now, the geography here is everything. Even though we call it a sea, the Caspian is really the world's largest lake. And because it's completely landlocked, it has this unique strategic value you just don't find anywhere else. Think of it like a private club. Only these five nations touch its shores. No other navy in the world can just sail in. This creates a closed system, a private highway where members can operate without any outside interference. And on a private highway with no outside police, you can imagine what kind of cargo starts to move. Two of those club members, Iran and Russia, are already using this route as a logistical backbone, a one-way highway for weapons. And the amount of hardware is just staggering. We're talking reports of 300,000 artillery shells sent from Iran to Russia in 2023 alone. That's a massive resupply, and it's all happening across this inland sea. And it isn't just shells. We're talking millions of rounds of ammunition, even entire air defense systems, being quietly shipped across the Caspian to fuel Russia's war machine. So, how do they keep it so quiet? Well, a lot of these ships just turn off their tracking systems. They go dark. This creates a huge intelligence black hole, leaving the rest of the world guessing about the true scale of these operations. Okay, so that brings us to the really crucial question. Right now, it's a one-way highway. But what happens when it becomes a two-way street? What happens when the traffic starts flowing in the other direction? Just imagine this flow reversing. If Iran's stockpiles get low, Russia could easily return the favor. But instead of old-school artillery shells, we could see advanced missiles, Russian-made drones, and sophisticated air defense systems flowing south to Iran. And this isn't just a hypothetical. A reported €500 million arms deal really signals how deep this relationship is getting. It's cementing the Caspian's role as their shared, secure supply line. I mean, this kind of resupply would be a huge technological leap for Iran's military. We're talking about advanced anti-aircraft systems, thousands of missiles, and critical gear like night vision equipment, all delivered through their private corridor. So, while the world's navies are busy policing the big oceans, the really game-changing moves might be happening right here, on this inland sea, hidden in plain sight. It leaves you with one big question, doesn't it?